What's good, everybody? It's me, the barber Danny G, and I got a surprise for y'all. A company reached out to me and they sent me some free products because they wanted a review. And that is, drum roll please, the Supreme Black Shields. Now let's see what it's about. I like the box though, it's heavy duty, it looks nice. Open, sesame. Boom, okay, right off the bat. Great presentation. I had opened them before just to, get rid of all that excess packaging. So we have the clipper and trimmer. You get both. Right off the bat, this clipper is nice. Has a nice shape to it, it's light, and it's quiet. You hear that? Them clicks are just so satisfying. We have an LCD display. It'll tell you how much power is left. It'll give you a reminder on when you need to oil the blades as well. So this clipper, I believe, runs at 6,800 RPMs. And you'll be able to get out of the battery 5 hours after a full charge of 180 minutes. I believe it's the same for the trimmer as well. The trimmer is also light. They do not come zero gap though, so you're gonna have to zero gap it by yourself. But the trimmer is quiet as well. It looks nice. I can say it's ergonomic for a fact. Let's see what else comes in the box. All right, what is this? I guess we're gonna find out together. Oh, I think it's a cape. So you'll get a cape. You got clipper guards, and you get them from, so you got a half guard, and it goes all the way up to number 4. You also get the 1.5 guard, which is, if you're a barber, you know that's essential. You get trimmer guards. You get 2 Type-C USB charging cables. You get an oil and a cleaning brush. And then, of course, the instruction manual. Read this. I know as barbers, we tend to just turn it on and as soon as we get it. Hey, you're not supposed to do that. You're going to kill your batteries. So, with all that being said, I'm going to try them out in the shop. Give me a couple days and I'll update y'all on how I like them.